Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making mixed veg upma. For this we need French bean, capsicum, semolina, carrot, grated carrot, cabbage, onion, red chili powder, green chili, curd, cottage cheese, tomato, coriander leaf, salt and mustard seed. So in a pan, take 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seed, let it crackle. Now add chopped onion and fry till transparent. Now add half a bowl of French beans finely chopped, mix it. Add 1 bowl cabbage, mix it. Now add grated carrot, mix it well. It's a very healthy dish. Now add 1 chopped tomato, and add salt, green chilies and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of curd and mix it again. Add half a cup of capsicum very finely chopped. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it again. Now add cottage cheese. This will give the richness to our mixed veg upma. Mix all the vegetables with semolina. Mix it for half a minute. Now add half liter water. Gently mix it. Then cover it and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Uncover it and put it on high flame, stirring continuously for 2 to 3 minutes till you find the consistency of upma. And now I can see my upma is ready, so I will garnish it with coriander leaf and your mixed veg upma is ready. Thank you.